Hi guys, and today I want to share this farmer's cheese pancakes. So delicious and really easy to do. To that we're going to need some fresh farmer's cheese, some baking soda, vinegar, eggs, flour, sugar, and some raisins. That's it. So together we're going to mix everything. Besides, we're going to put some mixing baking soda with vinegar and then pouring it in here. Otherwise, put everything in besides the raisins too. Mix, and in the end, put in the raisins. And the mixture is done. How simple is that? So now we're going to need some more flour for dipping. So we're going to dip our little our little balls or whatever you want to call them, and just into the flour, and let's fry them. It's really easy, so delicious. Oh, it just smells so good already. So, and that's how we're going to do it. 4 minutes and then flip, or whenever it looks done for you. And that's it. That's it. So good. So delicious. Just, there's no work to it. You just gotta go and do it. And I do have a link how to make farmer's cheese. So go ahead and check that out. It's a really easy farmer's cheese recipe. There's no work to it, like pretty much besides heating milk. So go ahead and check that out. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, the step-by-steps, and see I continue frying some more. There's just a lot of it. And here it is, our delicious yumminess. Go ahead, make your own, and I'll leave a link where you can get this recipe in the description box below. Please like and subscribe. Till next time. Bye-bye.